everyone, it's Tiffany and Nova with Easy Toddler Hairstyles. We are excited to bring you a 4th of July hairstyle today. It is a little side star. It is a half-up style. You could totally do this coming back on the head, or you could pull it into a side-up ponytail if you want an all-up style.
We're so excited for the 4th of July.
We hope that you enjoy this hairstyle, and stay tuned and we will get started. We are going to start with a deep side part. I've got her hair damp with a little bit of product in it. From here I'm going to come to the back of the crown and create a section that is roughly about 2 inches wide and then come forward. The rest of the hair we are going to clip out of the way so that I don't accidentally incorporate it into this front section as I'm parting it off. I'm spraying and combing spray gel throughout for a firm hold, and then I'm going to create 3 sections in which we are going to do ponytails. This first section, the ponytail is going to come to the very bottom of the section. Now, placing is really important in this style where you place your ponytails so that you get the look of a star when you are done. Next, I am going to part out the second and third section. This third section on the far left, I'm also going to place the ponytail down really low on this section. And then for the middle section, I want the ponytail up towards the top because this is going to make the top of the star. So I'm just going to comb it out and place it up over onto the other side so that it is placed up higher than the other ponytails. I have 2 more sections that I need to do ponytails with, so I'm going to unclip the hair, spray it down again with product and water, and then I'm going to come down another inch or 2 depending on how big your child's head is. And I like to leave a little bit of hair at the bottom. You don't have to do this, but this is just personal preference. So this bottom area, I'm just going to part it into 2 sections. So these ponytails need to be like your first and third ponytails on the top. You want to position them really low at the very bottom portion of the ponytail. Make sure it's not in the middle or up high, or you're not going to have enough room for your star. Next up is making our star. I'm going to take the middle ponytail up top, flip it over so it's going the other direction, and then I'm going to twist both of these sections down to the ponytails at the very bottom. So twisting to the right and then twisting to the left, and then using a clip to clip them off for now. From here I'm going to take the ponytail on the left, split it in 2. One piece I'm going to twist and attach to the ponytail on the far right using an elastic. I like to twist when I do this style because it gives it a more defined look. And then the other piece of hair that I have, I'm going to twist this one again and bring it down to the bottom right ponytail. Now this is actually a style that works really great on thin hair. I feel like I struggle a little bit more because Nova has such thick hair that it's hard sometimes to get a really defined star, but it's actually to your benefit if your little one has a little bit thinner hair. So I'm attaching this other one to the bottom right ponytail. Our last step is to take the top ponytail on the right and simply twist it all the way down to the ponytail on the left. You'll notice that the other part of my star I still have clipped off, so I'm going to remove that clip. So I've got the top part of my star and the side part of my star coming over to this bottom ponytail. I'm going to secure that with an elastic, and after I've secured that with an elastic, I'm just going to go back and kind of separate, make it look a little bit more like a star, kind of reposition the hair a little bit. And that is the finished hairstyle for a 4th of July star. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe, and check out our page for more little girls hairstyles. Happy 4th of July. See you next week. Bye.